Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI Nova 8i and let me show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode with back camera. To get access to mirror effect we have to change it to the front one, so let's do it by simply tapping on this button here from the right. Here we are. Now let's move to right corner button up to open camera settings, and here we have to slide a little bit to general category. Now at the fourth place we have mirror reflection option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn off and turn on camera mirror effect as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.